You don't need to make more money to stop feeling broke. I know that sounds wrong. But there are people pulling six figures who feel broke, and people making half that who feel rich. The only difference is a system. 4 steps. Most people never set up a single one. So let me give you all 4. First, why you feel broke even when the numbers go up. It's called lifestyle creep. Every time you earn more, you spend more, almost automatically. Your income climbs, your savings don't move, and your idea of enough keeps sliding just out of reach. That's the trap. Here's the system that beats it. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend, then save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Flip it. The day money hits your account, a fixed cut comes off the top into savings, before you touch a dollar. How? Automated transfer for the same day you get paid. Why it works? You can't spend what you never see. It takes willpower out of it completely. Step 2. Decide you're enough. Pick the number your life actually costs to run, and the number that would feel comfortable. Write it down. Why? If you never define enough, your brain keeps moving the finish line forever. A number on paper is a finish line that can't run away from you. Step 3. Bank the next raise. When your income goes up, keep living on what you made before, and send the difference straight to savings. How? The day the raise hits, bump your automatic transfer by that same amount. Why? This is the exact move that kills lifestyle creep. Your income climbs while your spending stays flat, and that gap is wealth. Step 4. Give every dollar a job. Before the month starts, assign every dollar a place. Needs, savings, fun, all of it. Why? Money without a job wanders off. People think budgeting is about restriction. It's the opposite. It's telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Here's the part nobody tells you. Not one of these 4 steps needs you to earn a single dollar more. Pay yourself first. Know you're enough. Bank the raise. Give every dollar a job. Do those, and broke stops being about your income. It becomes a problem you've actually solved. You don't need a bigger paycheck. You need a system. Now you've got one. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this. I'll see you in the next one.